Charlotte, you got that?
Of course.
Oh, beautiful.
How's your day?
Very good. Very beautiful.
And your coffee?
That's my Charlotte. Beautiful.
Yes.
Hi guys, this is me, of course, Creative. I'm here in the flavor of Syria, and I've got Nayran here with me, sorry. And I've got my chai latte and I've got my beautiful baklava. So we are here behind Space to Be, 144 St. Kilda Road here in Melbourne. And flavor of Syria makes exciting baklava, as you can see, and chai latte. So I'll take you over to speak to Nayran because she knows what she's doing here. And I can see she's doing a fantastic job. So hi Nayran, tell us a little bit about what you do.
Training people to open their business and do catering business and also barista. We are happy to all refugees to come here and help them to start their own business and find their aim. So that when we start to come to a lot of countries, we don't know what we are doing,
Exactly.
And when that door doesn't open, but here the door opens for you anytime.
So guys, if you're a newly arrived migrant and you're still trying to explore your skills, you want to realize your Australian dream, you can speak to Nayran and she can get you started.
Anytime you are welcome.
Thank you. Lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you.
Okay, I will now sit down and enjoy my chai latte and baklava. Thank you guys. I'll catch you later in the Space to Be shop in a minute. But first of all, let me enjoy this.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. So I'm of course
Yes.
Creative, and I'm here today in 144 Chapel Street, and this is what a better space to be. Space to Be. And Space to Be is a social enterprise that supports newly arrived migrants and refugees. And these newly arrived migrants and refugees have their own small businesses. Some of them make amazing towels, amazing clothing, and we've got soft toys. And behind me we do have handmade jewelry and accessories. So Space to Be Social Studio has been one of the spaces that support across creative handmade jewelry and accessories. And today I came here to stock in one of my newest collection, that is this beautiful bomber jacket. It comes with side pockets, as you can see, really comfortable to wear. And Space to Be has been supporting across creative for quite a few years now. And by stocking my apparels here, I guess part of the proceeds also goes to support the many refugees and asylum seekers who are wanting to settle, start their own businesses or explore what their skills are. We can take a quick run look at the shops because there are a lot of exciting things here. And I guess this is to inspire you if you wanting to start your own small business as well. We've got these beautiful kimono jackets. They're really colorful, really beautiful by some of our designers. Towards my left, we've got silk scarves as well. In fact, there are a whole lot of things here, and I'm just going to walk right behind you because here we've got the amazing hand-painted bowls and trays. Now, all these are handmade here in Melbourne. Some of our social entrepreneurs also bring things from their own country and probably combine them with other products here in Australia to make this beautiful lampshade. Look, I'm loving everything here. Jewelry, necklaces, bulgur baskets. Now these bulgur baskets, I know they originate from Ghana, and I believe most other cultures have them as well. So this winter season, we've got you covered. We've got scarves and everything you need. I want you to come into 144 Chapel Street here in St. Kilda. Come and experience what we have in this safe space. and I believe you can buy a thing or two for yourself and your loved ones. Lovely to catch up with you. It's me, Akos Creative. I'm also online. Shop with me and support a new migrant small business. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.